Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. First, check the volume levels in the settings. Tap on the settings icon and scroll to sound and vibration. Make sure the volumes are not at 100%, keep them around 75–80%. Next, clean the speaker grills with a soft brush or air compressor. There are 4 in total, 2 near the charging port and 2 near the power button. Do not use anything metallic to avoid damaging them. Go to Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is disabled so audio isn't rerouted to other devices. Restart the tablet to refresh the system and fix any glitches. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, then click Reboot. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll to About Tablet, and click System Update. It checks for updates automatically. If you're on the latest version, that's great. If you're not, I recommend updating to avoid old glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.